these are tabletop marches. We're bringing the legs up to that tabletop position and marching one leg at a time. When we get into this position, it can be really helpful to have something behind the neck, a pillow, a towel. I'm going to think about an inhale, exhale, come to that tabletop position. If you cannot get to this tabletop position without kind of a bulgy sensation in the lower abdominals or feeling like your ribs flare out and you can't control this position is too difficult. So I recommend coming down and starting from the floor, or you can just work one leg at a time. So coming to that tabletop position, I'm gonna think about an inhale, exhale as I come down and march one leg at a time. Think about that exhale, bottom up, and we're really controlling the ribs position as I come down and up. So you should feel the abdominals working pretty hard to control. We want this rib cage over pelvis neutral stack position, so our abdominals are set up to work. So inhale, exhale, bottom up, abs, then ribs melt as we extend the leg long and just march. Long exhale through the mouth. This is too challenging. You can just work one leg at a time. Great position to practice that stacked position and feeling and sensing those deep abdominals. This is in our progression towards working towards a full dead bug position, but we want to imagine being able to maintain that stack and tension as we march one leg at a time.